Sweet. I'm Robbie with Gassin Supply Co. I'm here with Phil Can, our engineer, and we've got something really cool to show you today. These are our new 3D printed exhaust port block-off plates.
So this is perfect for when you got the engine on a stand, you're building it, you're still putting your cam in it, changing the intake, whatever you're doing to keep dust, dirt, debris, humidity out of the engine. These are specifically printed at 3/16, which is the exact thickness of an exhaust flange, so you can use your factory hardware, whether it be your standard or you're upgrading to ARP. This is going to fit everything. These are 3D printed out of ASA plastic, which gives you great UV and heat resistance, so they're not going to deform or change color, and so they're going to be great long-term use for you.
And not only that, they're made right here in the USA. Phil, in fact, owns a 3D printer. He made these right in his home shop in Rhode Island. So they're made right here in the USA. They're designed, developed, and manufactured right here, ready for you to pick up on GassinSupply.com.